Kuliah buni fibro kecimutip nam tai kubar lightcam te lightcam kaway kapus data entry operator ke office of the medical superintendent Nongpo Civil Hospital Ribohoi District. Dengan pelihat kene ke advertisement ke pelai, the office of the medical superintendent Nongpo Civil Hospital Ribohoi District intend to conduct the recruitment for filling the following vacancy on a contract basis. Kene ke post contract under a period of 3 months. Kamut ba live nai kin renew. Amde yang batang live nai kin renew biang pada. Or maybe extendable as per requirement. Takut ba kin extend kan. Live nai kin extend, live nai extend. Preference shall be given to local people. They local people can come within Ribohoi district. Eligible candidates are invited to attend interview. Tegi candidate kiba long eligible la akode ki bagin attend interview. Kan mau kande betang interview menurut kam exam. Harga deka post contractual. For the following contractual post under Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Project. Nongpo Civil Hospital Ribohoi district. Tekane kerteng juga post kay data entry operator tangkaway ke post. Atulok kay 10,000 ka qualification deban long bachelor degree with knowledge of computer MS Office. Te kibadon kena qualification kisah le ke bulan kam nam tam apply ke place of posting ke dia po Nongpo Civil Hospital Nongpo Ribohoi district. Te ke jinon kam age limit kan dia hadu sau post name below 40 years. Eligible and interested candidate can submit the hard copy kan mau haban le submit iki form e baro ak office of the undersigned room administrative block on or before 8 of August. Prater yung August haban submit pin poi kene pra ne shua galai prater August kelas dia kan dia prater August. Candidate must enclose along with the prescribed standard application. Pihak pendap lembaga application form, standard application form. Pihak submit kidur, pihak ai ki save attached copies yang dokumen ki berai bulan kam. Pihak pendap kita application form ko jong pi update resume, educational qualification, certificate proof of experience. Baru ki berai bulan kam hawa pendap kita standard form. Pihak pun submit kumta, pihak submit dokumen ki berai kita. And candidate are advised to indicate their contact number and email address atau form application found incomplete in any respect shall be summarily rejected. Candidate have to report along with the original document. Tenda kila ay katarik pada kinsa pihaban lej matra igi original document at the time of interview. Kinsa pentip makan last day kan day pratek August kinsa pentip maki. The post is purely temporary on contractual basis. Tu ada onglar dan kong. Note EDA, in case of any dispute, the undersigned reserve the right to reject application without assigning any reason thereof. Tentang kitui, kitu kiba kuat apply nam takane selai kabran kam lai submit application form jopi po kata office pula ada mention nanti office of the medical superintendent Nongpo Civil Hospital Ribohoi district. Hal ini shua pratrek jong Agos. Tentang kini jeng petip, tulis pun.